Hello everyone and welcome to Matt's Very Merry Christmas vlog. We are at Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, so it's gonna be magical, so enjoy Christmas.
Alright, well folks, right about now, we are going to sing a song about one of Santa's most trusted companions, his favorite reindeer, as he flies through the foggy evening on Christmas Eve. He's got a glowing red nose. Anybody know who I'm talking about? You! Rudolph! That's right, buddy! I wish I had something to give you. I wish I had some kind of big prize other than this air high five I'm about to give you. Oh, he didn't leave me hanging. Perfect. All right, so anyway, we're going to sing this song about Rudolph, and about halfway through, we're going to have a little call and response audience participation, okay? And I think you guys are going to do just fine. We are going to name all 8 of Santa's reindeer's names, and then you guys just have to chant them back. There's 8 at least. Go ahead, Paul. Yeah, I think, so let me get my choir together here. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows like all of the other reindeer. They used to laugh and call him names like have you guys ever done this before? Rudolph, joining any reindeer things like one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, ho, ho, he said, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, she got my sleigh tonight. Then my Lord, he loved him, as he shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history like a hot dog. It's pretty big. I have heard a lot of strange things, folks. Never like a hot dog. Wow. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to say all 8 of the names. We're going to say them slowly and clearly so you can understand them. Then I'm going to count to 4 real quick and point to you, and it's your turn. Here we go. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen. 1, 2, ready, go.
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen.
That's good. That's good. That was a nice warm-up. Okay? Now we're going to do it a bit faster. Okay? It's going to roll right off the tongue. I promise. It's not a big deal. Here we go. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen. Easy, right? 1, 2, ready, go.
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen.
Oh, I love it. You guys are great. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to unite. We're going to join forces. And we're going to say it as fast as we can. 1, 2, ready, go. Happy, grumpy, sleepy, sneezy, bashful, little beat, dot. Nailed it. Mic drop. I'm out. No, you did not. Santa came to say, he said, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, she gave us a little tonight. Then how the reindeer loved him, and he shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history like George Washington. You'll go down in history like the hot dog. You'll go down in history.
expected. I got to meet so many different characters, including Jack and Sally and Mickey and the Seven Dwarfs and Mary Poppins and Bert. So it was awesome. The parade was awesome. Fireworks were really cool. Yeah, it was a really great night here at Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Got the beautiful Christmas tree behind me. Big guy tonight was here, Santa Claus himself. It was awesome. So we got more Christmas fun for you in the next vlogs coming up. So Merry Christmas, and we'll see you real soon.
Special moments like this one that we share with truly special friends. We take these moments and we turn them into memories. Memories we can cherish forever and ever. And that's the kind of magic that only happens when we're all together.
Sure, it's nice to open a gift that's tied up with a perfect bow.
But the greatest present of all was given to me long ago.
It's something I would never trade. It's the family that we've made. 'Cause when we're together, I have everything on my list. And when we're together, I have all I wish. All around the Christmas tree, there'll be dreams coming true. But when we're together, then my favorite gift is you. It's a holiday every then the seasons bright. I don't hear the bells don't ring out when it's here. 'Cause when we're together, I can stay forever. And when we're together, it's my favorite time of
So we have a new friend in our vlog, Landry, who works at Pecos with me. So welcome to.
Thanks for having me.
Of course.
Thanks for having
Of course. We'll send your check in the mail. Hey, we're here. Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, my second one. Everybody else's first one.
Yeah.
But it's great to spend it with friends, definitely.
Absolutely.
You guys are family. You're really family.
I'm really family.
For those of you who haven't watched any of my previous vlogs, Sarah's my cousin.
Hey.
But this is all extended family. So, how you guys liking the party so far?
It's awesome. Yeah. Space Mountain with the Christmas overlay was
Yeah.
that's the best
That's
version
the
of
best,
it.
the best version of Space Mountain, for sure.
Yeah, all the treats at the different locations have been
Yeah.
so great. Yeah, the hot chocolate has been amazing. We really love it.
Yeah, definitely. Fireworks were amazing.
That's really good. Yeah.
Yes, I still have a spot in my heart for holiday wishes, but that's me. I've never seen it before either. No, Minnie's wonderful Christmas time fireworks. I think that's what it's called. Fantastic.
Yep.
Loved them.
Yeah. Loved it.
Yeah.
Now we're staking out our spot
Waiting for Mickey's Most Merriest Celebration on the Castle, and then got our spot already for the Once Upon a Christmas Time parade. So.
Yep. We're all ready. We're ready.
So,
Yeah.
more Christmas coming up.
everybody! Welcome to our most merriest celebration!
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays!
We wish you the merriest, the merriest.
The merriest?
Yes, the merriest. We wish you the merriest, the merriest. The merriest. You'll cheer. We wish you the happiest, the happiest.
The happiest?
Yes, the happiest. We wish you the happiest, the happiest. The happiest New Year.
May your tree be filled with happiness. Happiness for all.
May your heart be filled with...
But my favorite tradition is just getting to be together. What are you thinking of getting dressed up for the holidays? I still don't know. Do you think you can make him something out of ice? Like a sled, maybe? He does say ice is his life, so I'm sure anything would make him very happy. For sure. Maybe we can add some frozen scrambled or something. Maybe a cup holder. That was good too. Well, it looks like everyone here is enjoying their hot chocolate. I hope it's all keeping you nice and warm and the cold doesn't bother you too much. I think so. And warm hats definitely help too, right? I think so.
Alright, this concludes our third visit to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, the beautiful castle behind me as always. And we did so much tonight. We saw a lot of the shows. Met Snow White and her prince and Aurora Prince Philip. A lot of fun. Love Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. It's just very, very merry. It's Mickey's most merriest celebration of the year. So, until our next adventure, see you real soon.